Alright everyone, welcome to another Hallsy's fishing video. Today we'll be chasing Murray cod down here at the Macquarie River, out at the bridle track. Beautiful water, and let's get into it.
She don't come from it, but now she ain't running from me. Yeah, she living the lifestyle. Took a Broadway city girl, turned her into a red dirt wild child.
Water's up a little bit higher than last time we were here, but shouldn't affect the fishing, but yeah, who knows. Yep. Come on. Tell him on. Oh, you beauty. Come on. Beautiful little cod. Sit him on the mat. Around 52. Get a quick little release. You want to stand on that rock and I'll go here? Wasn't a big cod, but still on the board. We've walked probably, camp's just down there. We've walked a little bit, probably about not even 400 meters, probably about 150 meters. Let's call them the chase baits. I think it's drunken mullet. No, the drunken mullet's a surf lure. Yeah, I'm not sure what one it is, but yeah, chase baits mullet something, and it's got a little flashy thing normally on it. That cod there, he was aggressive and he just ripped it off. I'm gonna take my bag off and have a heaps of casts in here. Let that sink. Bring it up. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, no way. You have to be joking me. Wow, that's someone's clip. That's a weird looking clip. That's a tailor-made. Oh, that's one of the one-piece tailor-made lures. Tried to swap my friend one of these this morning. Alright, so this is where I've caught. This is where I was when I caught my first ever cod. Changing up to the Gangster Lure. I won this in a prize from Macquarie Adventures. and I won it. So stoked. Cast still going. I'm just gonna wind it very slowly. I think my dad's got a fish. What? Bring him up here, we'll measure him on the flat. Nearly.
What was mine? 78.
73.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Just made it back to where I had to ditch me rod because Dad on the fish. We're gonna walk up. I'm gonna go up to the pool where he caught one. He's waiting there for me, and then we'll go up to the next two big pools and work our way down, because this blue bag that I've got on, it was meant to have all the lights and stuff in it, but Dad, he asked if he could put 3 beers in my bag, and I said I don't have enough room and I'd like to take the blue one, thinking he would keep the lights in it, but he's tipped the lights out and put snacks in it, which is good, but that's why we're going back to camp, have dinner, then come back out with the surface. But good trip so far. Good 2 fish, 51 and 71 or 70. Made our way up to a few currents. Sometimes the cod hide behind the rocks here. Am I on? Oh shit. I thought I was on. Alright. Yeah, I'm on! Come on! Oh, this is a nice little one. Gonna drag him up on the bank here. See where she goes, eh? 39 and a half. But we're gonna start heading back because at the rate the sun's going, we'll be back and it'll be dark and we won't have like any sort of light to cross the river. So yeah, it should be interesting, but yeah, we should get back, start a fire, have some dinner, walk up the surf schools. See you then. Just crossed the river now in the morning. We've got the surf schools on, had some brekkie, gonna do a big walk all the way up. Alright, moving from that spot now. A big hole. Nothing's just interested. Probably did about 30 casts with the surface lure. Probably about another 20 with this spinnerbait. And just nothing. Starting to get cold. I mean, the more the sun rises, the hotter it'll get. It's foggy morning, so should be good around 9-10 o'clock and the sun should be out. Oh my, I just spooked. So the camera wasn't playing because I didn't think I'd get anything. And me lure had, like, went over that rock right there and like straight under it. Something spooked. Not sure if it was carp or a cod. But probably 5 seconds before that, right here. No, a bit further out. Right there, probably. A little yellow belly swam past, so. That's the end to this fortnightly video. 3 cod, few spooked and missed, and heaps of carp seen. So yeah, 3 cod for the 2 days. We found these 3 lures, big, not sure what brand that is, I'll Google it tonight. A big spinnerbait, like huge, and then just a little cod walloper. But yeah, that's the end to this week's video, and stay tuned for more.
She get the mood right, oh,